Some of us might get a lot of calls throughout the day, and a lot of those calls might even be from callers that we don't know, numbers that we don't recognize. Microsoft Teams actually allows for a blocked caller list. So if you want to block calls without a caller ID, or if you have a particular number that is calling you frequently, you can actually put that number on a block list so that you won't receive calls from that number anymore. Let's check out how to do that in the Teams app. So I'm in Microsoft Teams right here, and I'm under the calls section, and then in the history, you will see all of your calls that you've received over the past however long. It just keeps a running list of all the calls that you've received. And say that there's a number right here that I don't recognize, this 203 number. If they've been calling me frequently and I want to block that caller and not receive calls from them anymore, all I have to do is click the little three dots at the far right side, and then I can click block. And that will actually mark that as a blocked number. So I can do that with these other numbers that I don't recognize. I can block these callers, and then I won't receive phone calls from that particular caller anymore. Let's say that I want to adjust this block caller list and remove names from it, or I want to adjust a setting that allows me to block all callers that don't have caller ID. That's done within the Microsoft Teams app settings, which you click your face in the upper corner, then you click settings right here, and under the calls area at the very bottom, there's a blocked call section. Now I can block all calls with no caller ID by just checking that box. And if I've blocked a number that I want to later unblock because I figured out who it was and it was a legitimate person trying to get a hold of me, I can click Manage Blocked Numbers, and then I can remove any of these numbers that I want to from that list. So I can just click the X to remove that number, and it's no longer blocked.